Hello everyone, whether you're wearing a sari, whether you're wearing a gown or any other dress, these beautiful and unique hairstyle will enhance your beauty. So what are you waiting for? You can learn any of these hairstyles and in few minutes you can make these beautiful and unique hairstyles like this. Take a small portion of hair and then you have to twist it to make a beautiful bun like this. Finish it using beautiful hairpin. All you need hairpins and some tools for making your bun. All these are very simple and unique hairstyles. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can take ideas and you can make beautiful and unique hairstyle like this. Make a ponytail and then you have to twist your hair. Then make a beautiful bun like this. Finish it using a hairpin. Bind your hair like this. Then this beautiful and simple bun is ready. Make a ponytail like this. Then you have to twist your hair. Rest of the hair you have to make a bun like this. Wow, how beautiful it is looking.